Hello and welcome again to the maths class. Today we are starting new chapter 3 polynomials. According to chapter, what is polynomials? First of all, see here, if I will take alphabet and separately numbers are 1 2 3 dash 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 and alphabets are a b c dash dash dash. In mathematical language, these are called variable and these are called constants. Okay, one variable and constant. With the help of variable and constant, we make an algebraic expression that is called polynomial. For example, I will take x from here and 2 from here. This is a 2x. 2x is a polynomial. In polynomial, you know very well that if one term, that means monomial. If two term, that means binomial. If I will take powers 2x square plus 3x plus 4 means this is called trinomial, and the name given to this is quadratic equation. See here is x square is x is the variable, x is here variable, means the linear equation in a one variable. How many variety here? Only one. These are called coefficient. See here, coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is 3 and constant is 4. 1 2 3 terms, quadratic equation, you will say trinomial, or you will say polynomial, whatever you want to say, or a quadratic equation. In this chapter we study about this quadratic equation. According to general formula for quadratic equation, see here, ax square, this is on the place of a, this is on the place of b, and this is c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a must not be equal to 0. This is called quadratic equation. Okay, a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant. If you want to find zeros, say if I write equation again here, 4x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This equation is called quadratic equation. The powers is called degree. How many degree here? 2 degree here. How many terms here? 3 terms here. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 4. See property, one variable, coefficient of x square is 4, 4 is coefficient of x square, and 3 is coefficient of x, and 5 is the constant. And how many term? 1 2 3 term. And total this equation, algebraic equation, is called polynomial. Okay, today you have to see now the question related to this chapter in your topic, how to find zeros. First of all, you know about the polynomial. See, if one term monomial, if two term trinomial, binomial, if three term trinomial, and the powers is called degree. Here degree is 1, so the degree is 2. In quadratic equation, degree is 2. Again see, degree here 2, 1 2 3 term, 5 is constant here, coefficient of x is -3 and coefficient of x square is 4. Today's topic is that how the polynomial is formed. Again, with the help of alphabet and numbers. In mathematics language, alphabet is called variable and numbers are called constant. When variable and constant mix together makes the polynomial. See, 2 is also a polynomial, but this called is constant with 0 degree. Okay, 2 is also with 0 degree. See, this is also polynomials. 2 is a constant with 0 degree. This is also polynomials with degree 1. Degree 1 and coefficient is 2, and this is also called monomial. Okay, in same way this type of things you have to put in your mind.